Hi, this is the final episode of our course Accounting for Creatives. I'm glad you made it all the way through. Let's just get one more topic, and it's about having accounting programs, how about using them and choosing them. So in order to do your bookkeeping, you can use some tools, and the most simple tools is that you just put all your invoices and receipts and whatever you banking notes, put them in a big shoebox and bring it to your accountant, and he will figure it out. That's the most easy part. But you wouldn't listen to all these videos if you wanted at least do some of it yourself. So what you can do is to make sure that these are organized well in ordners or in folders, and you can bring them to your bookkeeper, or you can do it from there yourself. And if you do it yourself, you have some options. You can do it in a spreadsheet like Microsoft Excel or one of the others. Then you can make your own list of invoices and purchase invoices and bank notes. And then you can kind of create your own balance sheet, your own information, your own VAT declarations. You need to know a little bit about spreadsheets, of course, and I think you need to know some bit about bookkeeping itself too, because an error is made very fast and you really have to know what you're doing. But it's an opportunity, and it's not very expensive because likely you already have a spreadsheet, so it actually doesn't cost any money, it just takes some time. But if you want to do it more professionally, or do you want to need more control over your own actions, you might consider using an accounting program. There are several options and several prices. Some are free, even some are very cheap. Of course, you have very expensive ones, but you will not need it as a freelancer. If you use this accounting program, you can choose either to get one offline. So you install the program on your hard disk, either on your Mac or on your Windows computer. And then you run it locally, and you can do it from there. You can buy one. There are some you can just download for free, and then you at least have all the controls and all the checks to create a decent bookkeeping according to the Dutch rules. The other option is an online solution in the cloud. You can get, you can become a member of such a program, and then you can do your bookkeeping in the cloud. You have to pay a little bit for that. It's about starting from 10 euros a month and going up if you need more space or more functionality. But for a small freelancer, I think you will do fine with just this amount. And you don't have any sorrows of your database being backed. Everything is safe in the cloud. It's really for those who really want it easy. So some options. If you want a free program offline on your computer, you can try GNU Cash. It's an English program, so it's an international program, not just for the Dutch market, but you will be able to do all the things that we did in this course within this program. It's a little bit not as user-friendly as the paid programs, but it's free, and so if you have time to spare and you like it, you can get into it and learn to work with it, and you have a free solution which is actually being used by millions of people over this world. If you want a paid version for offline use, you come to the Dutch programs as Exact, Multiverse from Unit 4 or AFAS, and there are several more, of course. Just Google and you will find some other options too. Then the offline solution, or the online solution in the cloud. There are some programs that you can try. This is called eboekhouden.nl. It's completely in Dutch. You can myfinance.nl, which is more like completely in English. And my favorite is informer.nl because it has Dutch and English version. And it's completely adjusted to the Dutch way of bookkeeping, and it has connections with the Belastingdienst, with the tax authorities. There are more options, and there's not really a bad solution, it's just the one that fits you best. You have to check it out. So many different options there. Well, summarize, you can use tools to do your bookkeeping. You will need tools to do your bookkeeping, either on paper or in a spreadsheet, or you can use just one of the professional online or offline bookkeeping programs. If you want to know more about using these programs, or you have questions when you're using them, in the future we'll have some classes in the University of the Arts, the Amsterdam University of the Arts, offline courses where you can join. So if you want to know more, if you have questions, please enter these courses and I will see you there. For so far, I'd like to thank you for all the attention. You brought it all the way to the last video, so I compliment you and maybe see you in the future. Have fun.